ribbon curls in morning air, soft pink petals everywhere. Quiet thoughts begin to bloom in this gentle crafting room. Colors drifting calm and slow. Tiny dreams begin to grow. Ribbon and petal dreams appear, floating softly, drawing near. Every fold and every line turns the quiet into shine. Ribbon and petal dreams unfold, tiny stories gently told. Hands that craft with patient art shape the calm within the heart. Paper flowers slowly rise like soft whispers in the sky. Scissors hum a peaceful tone, beauty made with hands alone. Nothing rushed and nothing loud, only peace without a cloud. Ribbon and petal dreams we weave, simple wonders we believe. Every emotion soft and free, building quiet harmony. In the stillness, colors blend, where imagination sends. Little blooms begin to start, growing deep inside the heart. Ribbon and petal dreams, drifting slow. Morning light upon the wood, quiet hands do what they should. Paper petals gently lie, waiting for the craft to rise. Thread and ribbon drifting slow, tiny wonders start to grow. Soft table creations start, little blooms of patient art. Every fold and every seam shapes a calm and gentle dream. Soft table creations flow, moving gently, soft and slow. Hands that craft with steady grace bring a calm into this space. Scissors sing the silver sound, colors resting all around. Petals forming one by one, simple beauty just begun. Nothing rushed and nothing loud, only peace without a cloud. Soft table creations shine in the quiet of the time. Every gentle light. Hands begin their silent flight. Paper petals softly start, shaping calm through handmade art. Every emotion slow and clear, peaceful moments drawing near. Stillness in handmade art, where the quiet hours start. Every fold and every line turns the calm to something kind. Stillness in handmade art, peaceful hands and patient heart. Little blossoms slowly grow in the calm we come to know. Scissors whisper silver sound, tiny petals all around. Colors resting soft and bright, floating in the tender light. Nothing rushed and nothing loud, only calm without a cloud. Stillness in handmade art, tiny dreams begin to start. Every ribbon soft and free, building quiet harmony. Breathing slow, the moments stay, crafting peace throughout the day. In the silence, hands create, turning small to something great. Stillness in handmade art. Calm and slow. Cloud. Stillness in handmade art, tiny dreams begin to start. Every ribbon soft and free, building quiet harmony. Breathing slow, the moments stay, crafting peace throughout the day. In the silence, hands create, turning small to something great. Stillness in handmade art. Calm and slow.